Hi, my name is Andrea Brunsendorf. I'm the head gardener at Lowther Castle and Gardens in Cumbria in the UK. And today I really want to talk to you about Betula ermanii, or also known as the Ermann's birch or the Russian Rock Birch. Now, you probably know it because of its stunning bark. I really get drawn to it because of its wonderful golden autumn color, because it really lights up the ruin so beautifully at this time of year. Now, it's a very graceful tree. It grows up to 20 meters. It stays quite controlled in its habits, very conical. And then maybe later on in life, when it reaches maturity, it will get a little bit more gnarly. But normally you'd be expecting a wonderful oval-shaped tree. The leaves itself are very attractive. So yes, I mentioned the autumn color. It's very coarsely toothed and it's heart-shaped, and it emerges quite early in the spring. So that's also wonderful bright green that comes early in the season. And then it also followed by these quite striking catkins. They're quite chunky catkins, up to 3 centimeters long. And they really come to its own once the foliage has dropped. And then also, of course, the bark. So yeah, the stem can be of this wonderful pale creamy color with those tinges of coppery and pink, and then the branchlets itself are of this brown to purple papery bark that also slowly peels off. So wonderful thing. Birches are pioneer plants, so yes, it prefers full sun to partial shade. Soil moisture, of course, from moist to wet, but still draining. And it's a very hardy birch, so up to -20 degrees, which in the US will be zone 3 to 8. Maybe for the gardeners along the east coast of the US, this may be not the best choice, as it really doesn't like the summer heat there, so more for the Pacific Northwest and for Cumbria. You might stay happy with Betula niger, your native birch, was wonderful too. And yeah, so it's as the name gives it away, with the Russian Rock Birch, so it is Northeast Asia and Japan, where it was recorded to be cultivated in 1880 for the first time. So yeah, wonderful thing for a cottage garden, for a wonderful woodland edger, or even for a wonderful urban development, very architectural.